In today's video, let's take a look at the way that you fix the Facebook cannot post in group issue. Welcome back to this new tutorial video, everyone. So if you're having issues posting on a particular group on Facebook, let me show you a couple of common solutions that you can try out. Now, if you're seeing this error message, you must first of all determine whether you have been restricted by the specific group moderator or have been flagged by Facebook. So what you can do in this situation is you'll need to head over to a particular group and take a look at the about section in order to see if you have violated some sort of community guidelines for this particular group, and make sure you take a look at the rules that they have mentioned for this particular group. What you can also do is verify the pending approval. If you have just sent the request to join this particular group and if the pending request is still not accepted, this is also a reason that you are not being able to post. Now, even after doing both of these steps, you're still having issues with it, then in this situation, what you can then try out is try to switch your network. So for example, if you're currently on a Wi-Fi network, try switching to your cellular data and vice versa. Also, what you'll need to do is clear out the cache of the Facebook application. So just tap and hold the application, head over to this eye icon, head over to clear data, and then tap on the clear cache option. What this does is removes any sort of corrupted files that may be causing these issues. Now, even after doing all of these steps, you're still having issues with it. In this situation, what you need to do is just wait out for 28 to 48 hours. If you have been spamming or if your account was blocked for spamming from a particular group, then in this situation, just wait out for a few days before you are able to post again. So these are the few solutions that you can try out. I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.